Hey, this is Larry Powell, Circle P Marketing. All this back and forth on Facebook Messenger, I just figured I'd just get you guys this quick video over kind of outlining what I'm seeing and how you guys can generate new leads for your business. So first off, I just wanted to look at your guys' website and give you a quick audit on what I'm seeing and what you guys could do to improve upon it. And then we'll look at what your competition is for some search terms I was able to find and how you guys could generate traffic from those and pass up your competition. So first off, looking at your guys' website, it's a really well-built site. There's not a lot of stuff I would change on this. I mean, you guys have the click-to-calls, you have your contact form right up here at the top. These are both fantastic for conversions once people are getting to your guys' site. You have a ton of tabs on here, a lot of good information. It looks great. My only recommendation for this homepage is the amount of content you have on it. So Google looks at over 200 different ranking factors when determining which website is in that top spot. And one of the biggest ones you can influence is the amount of content you have on this homepage. So what I really recommend for people is at least 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on this page, and sometimes even more depending on what your competition has, because you want to beat your competition out in every way possible. With that content, you also really want to make sure that you have the search terms you want to be found for in that content. And they do have to be exact match. So just mentioning, bath and remodeling, and then later on talking about quad cities, that's not going to do it for you. It has to be exact match on those search terms. But that would be my biggest recommendation for your guys' site. Overall, it's an amazing looking site. Whoever built it for you guys did a very good job. But just increasing the amount of content you guys have on here would definitely help. So looking at search terms, this is just what I found from just in that time span from when the last message you sent me. So quad cities is a pretty broad term just because it doesn't have the individual cities, and so it looks a little bit different than Google results. But there is definitely some search volume out there. So roofing quad cities, this is currently getting 200 searches per month. Contractors quad cities is getting 50. Kitchen remodel 30, bathroom remodel is getting 20, and there are more search terms out there. Again, this is just what I found in a very short amount of time. So there's a lot of potential for you guys for getting a lot of new search traffic headed towards your business. So looking at bathroom remodel quad cities, since you guys are wanting to focus on that, the reason why I said that this search term is a little different for Google is generally you would see a map pack up here. So for an example would be, you would see a map pack like this, but because quad cities isn't actually a specific city, that's the reason why you're not seeing this pull up. But there is some search volume behind this, so to get you guys ranked into the top spot for this, All-Star Home Services is going to be your biggest competition. So looking at their website compared to yours, that's what we'll look at next, and what you guys have to do to pass them up. So looking at that site, it's not loading very well. Hit the reload button here. So looking at that site, they do have a nice site. They don't have a ton of content on here. Very comparable content-wise to what you guys have, maybe a little bit less. But still, we do want to beat our competition out in every way possible and beat them as badly as possible. So increasing the amount of content you guys have on your site would definitely still help, because you guys aren't trying to rank just for or just for bathroom remodel, quad cities. You guys are trying to rank for other search terms as well. So I would still recommend increasing that content you guys have on that homepage. Next thing we're going to look at is the back end of the sites. So this is a paid tool I use called Ahrefs. They do have a 7-day, $7 trial, so if you guys ever wanted to go in there and look at any of this information yourselves, that's definitely something you guys could do. So the easiest way to explain what we're looking at here, we're looking at backlinks. Backlinks right here. And the best way to describe what a backlink is it's kind of like a high school popularity contest. And you have the most popular kid in school, and we'll call him website A. You have the least popular kid in school, and we'll call him website B. And that most popular kid is going to link himself to the least popular kid. And what's going to happen when he does that is it's going to bring up that popularity of the least popular kid and make him look more popular in Google's eyes. So for you guys, being website B, not saying you're the least popular, you guys are trying to get those popularity votes from other websites. So what you guys want to be doing is going out and targeting backlinks. So an example of a backlink, this is a link. So you're going to be putting links to your site out there on other websites. And you guys want to be going out there and targeting links that are relevant to the home remodel, bathroom remodel, roofing niches. So if you guys were to get a backlink from a remodel company out of Oregon, where I'm based out of, that's going to carry a lot more weight and look a lot better for Google than if you guys were to get a backlink from your local Pizza Hut, because you guys aren't slinging pizzas. So currently you guys have 84 backlinks from 9 referring domains. And then we can also see that you guys are getting, on average, 45 people a month are headed to your website. And then we can also see the different keywords that you guys are currently getting found for. So M.I Construction is in here a lot. Bathroom remodel Quad Cities, so you guys are currently sitting at 21st for that search term. Siding contractors, you guys are 25th. Construction companies, you're 52nd. So there's definitely some, room for improvement there. Kitchen remodeling, you're 63rd. These are all search terms that you guys could definitely be moving up into that top spot for. You guys aren't doing home building, but definitely, home additions. So definitely some potential there for you guys to generate a lot of new search traffic. Looking at your competition, what they have going on, so they have 75 backlinks from 14 referral domains. Organic traffic wise, they're not getting as much per month as what you guys are currently at. So I mean, I know looking at the numbers, you're thinking, okay, we have more backlinks than they do. What's going on here? So it's still that Google dance, and it also still has to do with what you guys have for your content. So really making sure that you're optimizing out your content on your website, and then getting those backlinks pointed towards this, and you guys will definitely be moving ahead of businesses like this for a lot of these search terms that I outlined today. If you have any questions on this, definitely reach out. I'd love to talk to you more. Hope you got something out of this. Thank you.